We have a pediatric case which is pending to be paid by SHA. The patient left Kenya under a very severe condition on 22nd September. The baby was aged 4 years. They had complications with the heart, and also they had some issues with their blood physiology. So the baby is detained at a hospital in India called Fortis Memorial Hospital. They are saying that the 500,000 that the NHIF issued as a GOP, guarantee of payment, must be honored before they release the baby back home.
Again, 2 patients stuck at KU Hospital as we speak. And by stuck I mean one of them is detained because they have a bill which they can't pay and SHA hasn't paid yet.
We have some of the renal services that were 3, they were doing the 3, now reduced to 2. So we have the services that people are getting in the foreign country now have all been removed. So the reality is that you find that, and see, when these things are reduced, the packages are reduced, the cost of care has not been reduced. Because if the commodities or the reagents and the cost of services are still remaining constant, tax has reduced, so, and the package has gone down, it means that the out-of-pocket expenditure by the Kenyans is going to increase and has to increase, because you're going to an hospital where somebody has the tax to buy the reagents, to buy the equipment, and all this has increased, but the amount that is covered in the social health authority has gone down. You have to get money from your pocket. So